2007 Nissan Frontier Crew Cab, one owner, 45,000 original miles. No accidents, all original. Yes, it really has 45,000 original miles on it. The original owner did something really cool. This toolbox from the inside, you can adjust the toolbox along this rail. Along the rail, it goes all the way back and slides all the way in, and it locks in place. Pretty ingenious idea. Tow package. In remarkable condition for a truck in Texas. Original mats, keys, power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise control. 45,167 miles. Mats. Here's the one owner Carfax report. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Everything you would expect in a truck with 45,000 miles. '2007 Nissan Frontier Crew Cab, one owner, 45,000 original miles.